Why does your scanner show the P1738 engine code? What does it mean? P1738 is a diagnostic trouble code for problem in second clutch pressure switch circuit. This engine code indicates that this often manifests as issues with shifting, particularly in second gear, and may trigger a limp mode. The issue could stem from a faulty pressure switch, wiring problems, or even issues with the PCM. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty second clutch pressure switch, wiring problems, moisture intrusion, transmission overheating, misalignment. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Honda and Acura vehicles, particularly older Honda Accords and Acura TLs. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.